Hello, so in this video I will show how to add the image into the database, the file name, and to return the URL to the user. But since our bucket is private, we will create some Google special URL which is called signed URL. Okay, so let's create the base uh, image. So the file name will be required. Okay, and let's say it will have to be a string, and let's create the class image which will inherit the image base, and id will be again string since the IDs in Firestore are strings. Okay, so we will import. So one more thing, I need the image create, which will be the image base, and I will write pass. Okay, so let's create in here image queries dot py. Okay, so in image queries we will need again from db to import db, and I will need the models from models dot image models import image create and image itself. Okay, and here I will write image ref which is equal to db collection, and I will call this collection images. Okay, and let's write asynchronous function insert image which will receive the image data which is image create. Okay, and we will return image. So here we have new image ref which is equal to image ref dot document. Here we will take the dictionary from the data model dump, and we will await to set the new image. Okay, image data dict, and we will add to the image data dict the id. Okay, which is equals to new image ref id, and the image itself will be image from image data dict. Okay, and we will return the image. Okay, really simple query. So we will import it from queries. We will import image queries, import create, insert. Okay, image. And what we have here, we need also to import create image, and image data equals to image create, which have file name which is equal to image file name string, and here what we have, the new image equals to await insert image, and we will add the image data. Okay, so we created the image. So the next step is to create to generate, because it's generating the signed URL, and we will return to Google Cloud Storage, and we will call generate signed URL, and we will receive the file name which we stored in the database, because in future we will need just to query the image, and again to generate the signed URL we will just query the file name from the database or whatever scenario we have. So I'm adding expiration hours for 1 hour. After 1 hour, this image can be accessed. This URL, this signed URL will not work. So bucket, again, we will create a bucket, client.bucket, which is bucket name, okay. And blob, again, blob. We will take the blob from the file name and bucket, okay. Really simple, by the way. Expiration time will be, so here we will set the exact expiration time, time delta, and I think UTC I will need, yes. So actually we need expiration hours after 1 hour from today, from now, okay, which will be created from UTC. I will use UTC. So time delta, which is hours, equals to expiration hours. So here you can write, you can see milliseconds, days, minutes, weeks, even, so whatever, how to say, time frame you want. I want for this demo purpose to use this one, okay. So let's write sign it, okay, not like this. Sign URL is equals to Bob, generate sign URL, and we will create version 4, and expiration equals to expiration time, okay, and method only for get method, okay, and we will return sign URL, and here I will write exception if something happen, and what to return? To return no, maybe here I have to think more about what we will have, okay. But for demo purpose, I think is actually, if that hand throws an error, it will be really bad. So I hope not to receive errors. Okay, so let's go again to the image route. So here we will create the image URL is equals to generate. Okay, let's import it, generate signed URL, and here we will use the new image dot file name. Okay, we have it here, but I will use the Pydantic class, the instance of the class, and new image with URL. So here I will create one more class here in the modules. I will write it image URL. Okay, and maybe I will add it here after the base class. Okay, so image URL is a string. Okay, and here I will create one more class, image with URL, and I will inherit from image and image with image URL, and I will pass. Okay, so I will import this image with URL, and here add image with URL, not with them, without them, okay, and here I will write like this, image URL equals to image URL, and new image dot model dump. Okay. Okay, so we have the new image. We will add here as a response model image with URL. We will add status code status created, since I think this is the best practice when after post request something is created, and we will return the new image with URL. Okay, and we are done with the main logic of adding an image to our application. So in the next video I will show how all this works. Thank you for the attention.